Meaning of intensity.
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 Intensity. The term intensity generally refers to the degree of strength, force, or power something possesses. It can be used in various contexts. For example, in physics, intensity is often used to describe the amount of energy passing through a unit area per unit time of a wave, such as sound or light. In sports or fitness training, intensity may refer to the level of physical exertion required during exercise. In psychology, intensity can refer to the degree of emotional arousal or a person's level of engagement in a task. Overall, the term intensity implies a certain level of vigor and strength that characterizes the thing being described.